Well, it's another beautiful home. This time, this is fully renovated. It's a brand new home. So it's all done, turnkey property. This is your house. So you walk in the front door, and as you can see, it's literally done as a designer home. So no hassle, no renovations needed. You move in immediately. Look at these beautiful windows, gorgeous tiles on the travertine on the floor, and such a massive space. I mean, nothing has been left by the by. So let's just walk around. You've got this beautiful swimming pool outside. We'll go and check it out. You're near a green area here. But look at this, isn't it absolutely gorgeous? You feel like you're living in the garden, like through all the windows. It's just such a mature community, this. So if you want details of where it is, DM me on my WhatsApp, so I won't be answering on YouTube comments as to where this is, because it is a secret. And it is a community that I've never ever been in before. So here we have it. So just look at this, isn't it absolutely to die for? Beautiful, all finished kitchens, all Siemens. Here we have it. Beautiful, like everything has been done, attention to detail. You've got a wine cooler, your gorgeous swimming pool out there. Let's just go outside and check it out. Now you are on a cul-de-sac here facing you. So my first thought was you just need to make sure you have lots of mature trees to cover that bit of the road there. But otherwise that's not really an issue. So here you have it all the way down the side of the house. You've got an entertaining area here, sink, and this gorgeous swimming pool area. Isn't that lovely? And I love what they've done with the swimming pool. And like, listen to the birds. We really are in nature. And that's what's so important nowadays. It's very hard to find houses that are really rural. And you've got a little gate out to the footpath in this community, so you can walk down. As I said, for this side, you just need to put some mature trees. And you've got a grass area, so the kids can also play football. And then down to the garage at the side of the house. It's absolutely gorgeous, this house. So let's walk in and show you the upstairs. Now this one has had an offer on it, but the seller has refused, so you're going to have to be very quick. I know I always say that, but this one in particular. So this one is also the utility room, so you've got another sort of dirty kitchen if you like. You've got the washing area, and then that's out to the garage there. So there we have it, more storage. Okay, so let us walk upstairs. Gorgeous kitchen, right? Absolutely stunning. And look at this stairway. I mean, just beautiful. So let's walk upstairs to the 4 bedrooms. Have I shown you the bedroom downstairs? No, I haven't. There is a bedroom downstairs. Here it is. It's at the front of the house. So bedroom downstairs, and you've got your ensuite bathroom in there. Okay, so let's go upstairs. And they're all ensuite bedrooms upstairs. Just check out the staircase, isn't it amazing? Just beautiful. So here's one of the bedrooms. It's at the front of the house. Here we have it. Nice quiet little off. There's an ensuite bathroom there. And then you've got another bedroom here, really nice and spacious. Ensuite there. Huge, this one. Again, it's at the front of the house. But, you know, it's very rural and quiet. It's not like there's mad cars driving past, which is obviously really important. You've got an upstairs living area, lounge, which is really nice. And again, you know, you're not directly, you've got like park area right next to you. So again, you've got lots of space. Isn't this beautiful? And then finally, we've got 2 more bedrooms. So we've got 1 bedroom here. This is at the back of the house, ensuite. Here we have it. And leaving the best till last, the master bedroom. And there's some cupboards there. The master bedroom is here. Look at this, absolutely gorgeous. You've got a really stylish dressing area. You can put in your watches, your jewelry, your bags, your shoes. Really, really nice. There we have it. And in fact, the door is just kind of a push door into the bathroom. So here we have it. You've got a beautiful seated tub, massive walk-in shower. And here we have it. So if you want some more details about this house, check out below in the description. You'll see the built up, the plot, and the price. Get in touch with me, and I would love to help you secure this house as your dream home. Now, these houses that I'm starting to show you are becoming massive opportunities because they're all reduced. So just be aware that these were not the prices pre-conflict. And so if you're looking for opportunities, you've been holding your cash, this is now the time to soar in, because whilst you might think, let me wait a bit longer, the best houses will start to go. And so then you'll have less choice. Even if there may be differences in prices from now for another month, you might not get the same location and the same house, because when it's gone, it has gone. So please do get in touch. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you as always for watching my YouTube channel. Take care and God bless.